In this exercise tutorial, I'm going to be taking you through an abdominal exercise known as straight leg scissors. So firstly, I've got a mat here and I've also got a pillow. I'm going to be using the pillow for my head. This is completely optional. You don't have to use one. For those of you maybe starting out doing core training, or alternatively those that get neck pain, the pillow might be a good option to do. So with the straight leg variation of scissors, the first thing that you're going to do is you're going to come all the way back into a position where I've got my head here on the pillow, both legs come completely straight away from my body, and I want to make sure that I've got no gap in my lower back. I'm going to bring one leg up and I'm going to keep that straight position at the knee. The other leg comes slightly off the floor, and then in a straight leg fashion, I bring my legs up and down. So you can see as one leg goes down, the other leg comes up. Now, if for example, you're doing this and you're thinking, I can't keep my lower back down, when I'm doing the exercise, I'm feeling the arch in my lower back, you could start to do exactly the same, but regress it, so make it slightly easier by having slightly bent legs. So by having slightly bent legs, it's going to be a slightly easier exercise, or alternatively, you may decide that you want to pause at the bottom, so you can bring your heel all the way to the bottom, and that would look like this. So as opposed to hovering off the floor with that bottom leg and keeping your leg completely straight, you might come down, which is going to completely relax the core, do a repetition, completely relax, brace the core, and then do the next repetition. Of course, you'd repeat this for your desired amount of sets and reps. So if you can do the hardest version, keep the legs completely straight. There's no heel in contact with the floor at any point in the motion. If you need it to be a little bit easier, start to bend the legs when you do your repetitions. If you want it even easier, whilst bending the legs, bring one leg all the way to the bottom, so in contact with your mat or the floor. You would repeat that for your desired amount of sets and reps, and that's how to do abdominal scissors.